It is the night before the big day, before I join Icon of the Seas in Turku, Finland.
This is my whole life, guys. 8 months. All life is in these two little medium-sized suitcases. So yeah. Okay, so to say that I'm actually nervous is a little bit of an understatement. I am wrecking myself right now. Bigger ship, bigger venues, bigger management team. Everything is bigger on this ship. Can't believe it.
It is 1:30 and
Hey guys, so it is currently 1:30 a.m. in the morning, and as you can tell, I am still very, very, very tired, but I am very excited to start my journey for Icon of the Seas. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's happening. I'm getting on the plane. I still can't get over this bit of travel. I really can't. Time to read some pages. Okay, I really need a nap. I'm tired. I've arrived, guys. Is this HR? Oh my god, it is HR. This is so cute. Guys, there are so many crew members that are here. Oh my gosh. I have never seen this many crew members in one place, but this is so exciting. I can't wait. I'm finally here, you guys. I'm finally on board, and even though Icon of the Seas is still under construction, I'm still so blessed to be a part of her crew. She is a gorgeous ship inside and out, and I am in Finland, guys, so it is minus 12 degrees Celsius. Me and the team are wrapped up warm, and we are ready to take on whatever comes ahead of us with love and passion. It's time to meet the team, and let's just say it was laughs and smiles all around. And now it's time to get to work. Let's go.
You guys actually don't know who I am. I am technical stage staff. My name is Erin Margret Brown, and I am royal. So I actually work for Royal Caribbean as a support at the moment, as a support technical stage staff. And my job is to basically work with the team and make sure that all of the loading remains consistent and efficient, and make sure that everyone stays safe, because safety is everyone's responsibility on board. So the biggest skill that I found to be very useful is communication, and I cannot stress enough how much communication is important. Yes, we are clear for the line truck to go on stage. Can I have a 10-second countdown to inform cast members? We've got our rack here, our wireless rack, that the production manager can actually hear us while we're downstairs on communication headsets.
I am standing by to press a Deadman switch. And this is how big our pit is. It's pretty big, huh? Very, very big. It is hosting our set pieces of Wizard of Oz. So after a busy day at work, I actually do love coming back to my cabin and just chilling out with my Nintendo Switch, or to watch a movie, or even if it's just to take a shower, a very long hot shower, to relax my muscles after a busy day at work. I do occasionally like going out as well with my friends and socializing and having a drink or two, playing pool on the table tennis that we have in Java Cafe.
My favorite crew neighborhood is actually Java Cafe. It's bright because in a world where a black shirt lives in total darkness, it's quite nice to be able to come out and just have lighting, and even the design of Java in general is actually beautifully done, and not to mention the coffees as well are just beautiful. And they make it the same every day without fail, and the beverage team, hats off to them. It's really nice coffee. But yeah, favorite part, definitely Java.
follow me to work. What I actually really like about coming into the theatre a couple of minutes earlier before showtime is it's basically the quiet before the storm. It's just that silence, because the theatre is such a lively place and it hosts several vibrations, and to get it to come alive with sound and lights and all the stage staff doing the movements and the cast, it's all very breathtaking, really. And before the show you have that stillness where there's no vibrations, there's no sound, and it's just the sound of the ship's metal clanking around you. So just to be sat in the theatre and to know that within a couple of hours or a couple of minutes, you know, it's going to come alive and the vibrations are going to start. So for sure, I mean, being here and taking a moment just to look at the stage and look around you, it's truly amazing, and I definitely get a buzz out of it. So when I was in university is supposed to prepare you for the real world, and I'm out in the real world, and sometimes again I don't sit still long enough to say, oh my gosh, I'm in the real world, I'm actually doing it, I've got a career, I'm working with so many different people, and I still find it bizarre. And I've been in the industry now for about 5 years, and I'm still not used to it, because I do have to sit still every now and again and look around and say, you know, gosh, I'm here, I made it. I always say, if you really love your job or your career, you never have to work a single day in your life. And I stand by that to this day, because work for me isn't work, it's my hobby. And that's what I've always told people, and that's what I will continue to tell people until the day I die. It's a brilliant industry, and Royal Caribbean in particular. But for anyone that actually is looking to come and work for Royal Caribbean, you know, you just got to be friendly, and you have to be outstandingly passionate. Yeah, everyone's really nice, and I actually quite love my job. I may cry at times and sweat at times and complain at times, but that's a part of every job. But if you can go every day with a smile on your face and a bed to sleep in and friends to talk to and to drink coffee with, then you won the game. So yeah, cut.